Hey people, what's going on? Hope you're well. Welcome to another episode of the Road to Empire podcast. Now, if you are new to the channel, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel and clicking the notifications bell. Okay, so today's video is going to be focusing on the former CEO of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried. Now, cryptocurrency exchange FTX, which recently filed for bankruptcy just last year, has now located over 5 billion of assets, according to an attorney for the company, as reported by a BBC article, right? However, it is still unclear how much customers have lost as a result of the collapse of this financial entity, right? Prosecutors have accused FTX's former CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried, of committing epic fraud, right, worth billions that may have cost investors, customers and lenders billions of dollars. Bankman-Fried himself has pleaded not guilty to the charges, right, and is also accused of misusing customer funds to pay debts at his own trading firm Alameda Research and to make other investments. Additionally, FTX co-founder Gary Wang and former head of Alameda, Caroline Ellison, have also been charged in connection to the company's collapse. Authorities said they were both cooperating with the investigation. Now, the extent of losses to FTX's customers is still not fully quite known, but it has been estimated that over $8 billion of customer funds were missing. People like American football star Tom Brady, his former wife Gisele Bündchen, and New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft were also mentioned in court filings as potential victims of the collapse. In December last year, Bankman-Fried was arrested in the Bahamas in the Caribbean and was extradited to the US to face charges of committing one of the biggest financial frauds in US history. He was charged with 8 criminal counts, including wire fraud, money laundering, and campaign finance violations. Financial regulators have also brought claims against him. The recovered assets do not include those seized by the Securities Commission of the Bahamas, where FTX was based and where Bankman-Fried was living at the time of his arrest. Most of FTX customers and investors who are facing losses have not been named in the hearings. It is worth noting, though, that FTX was valued at $32 billion just a year ago, and the bankruptcy filing came after US prosecutors accused Bankman-Fried of misappropriating FTX customer funds. Okay, so you can see how volatile the cryptocurrency world can actually be and how quickly some of these exchanges could collapse. Now, there has been some fear-mongering in the space, but generally speaking, some exchanges have now come out just to be transparent and highlight and show what kind of assets and securities that they actually have, so that customers and those who own cryptocurrencies can actually be rest assured that their assets are being taken care of. Okay, so if you did like this video, please do consider subscribing, sharing, liking, dropping a comment and clicking the notification bells on our channel. And if you're listening to the audio podcast, please do leave us a review. Okay, catch up soon.